Holy marbles. So, please comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button and say I subscribe. And I'll say thanks and I'll report to all of y'all. But, yeah. I know, don't talk about this here. Yeah. No. Near. Starting from the bottom and loading. Whoa. Starting from the bottom. But that was weird, but let's get started. Let's stop here. Or is it? Did they leave? Oh, leave. I'm like leaving stuff now. Who?
What?
I'm like, who let that peanut butter and jelly out?
I did.
Oh. Why did I use up?
Why?
I was meaning to do it. It's really hard now. Scrape it. Start from the bottom. Home team on. Man. Get it.
What?
I almost put it in the dishwasher, but I didn't. Oh, so that's how you do it. That's how it's so hard to do.
Put all the stuff back when you get done.
Actually, I think this is enough. We were at the moment. Yep. Yep. That's more peanut butter. Wait. See about now. listen to Star I'm eating. So he's gonna.
What are you eating? What is that?
Peanut butter and jelly. Well, you just do your vlog while I'm eating. You do your stuff while I'm eating, but you're not in the video. So you can show the stuff on your phone. Comment down below if you know what I'm eating. And it's not what I just said, but yeah. And if you get it wrong, I'm gonna not make no videos for you. I'm gonna say the only ones that know my food can do this. So guess it right now. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Whoopsies. Pizza. Comment down below if you can. Now you can. You can. It's amazing. What to say? What to say here? My foot's my mouth. My tongue.